How to remove and install a BMX tire and inner tube. So the first thing you're going to need to do is remove the wheel itself. I have done a video on this, so if you need to look at this, please do. And now you need to remove as much air, if you haven't already done so, out of the inner tube. So next you want to go around the tire and squeeze in. Just release the bead. Once you do one side, do the other side. Again, releasing the bead. So next you want to get your tire levers and put underneath the lip of the bead. Obviously you want to avoid this section with the valve, but any other place, I'll just stick it under. Lift it up like that, and then move over another section. There you go. And keep working away around the tire. Once you've worked away enough around the tire to loosen it, you can probably just skim underneath it like this. Pull it all off, even with your finger. And there's one side released. So this side's over the rim. So we're just going to push off the other side. So you can probably pull it over, but if necessary, use another lever and just lift it up. And that should be able to pull it across, as so. Obviously when you're doing this and using the levers, try to avoid hitting the tube to damage it. And there it's off. At this point it would be good just to check the rim. Make sure there's no damage, or nails, or any other foreign particles. So that looks okay. Right, remove the old tube. Get your new inner tube or your repaired one. Pump it up a little bit just to give it some shape. At this point you may want to check the inside of the tire. Check if there isn't any foreign objects that could damage the inner tube. At this point, put the inner tube inside of the tire. All in. Now start putting the rim on. Start with the valve. And work your way around, starting with one bead. Alright, that's all on. Now do the bead on the other side. It's a bit tighter on this side. For this last little bit you may need to use the tire levers again. So just do it gently. Just watch out for the inner tube when you do it. There you go. Have one final look. Make sure everything's in the right position. And then totally inflate. Inflate to the correct pressure. And just keep in mind that all these tires are rotational, so just remember which direction you put them on, and you're done.